Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube TV password. So in order to do it, you first have to come on tv.youtube.com and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Now, you already know that the email that you use in order to create your account on YouTube TV is the one, the password of which you need to change. So basically, there is no separate password for YouTube TV. If you want to change the password for YouTube TV, you will have to change the password of your email address. And in order to do it, you just have to come into your Google account, and here you will see the security option. So you need to click on security and then scroll down a bit and you will see the password option. Here it will show you when you last changed your password. So you need to simply click on this option, and then it will redirect you on this page where you will have to provide your current password and press next. On the next page, it will show you the section where you will be able to see your password, and you can even reset your password after following further instructions. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.